Welcome back to Streamlight Ed. So, after you have signed up and registered for Streamlight Ed, you notice you can now log in to Streamlight Ed and you notice there is the dashboard. So if you are a teacher or get approved as a teacher account, you will see all the courses that you are currently teaching or that you currently have on Streamlight Ed. So, in this tutorial, we are going to look at how can we set up your course in a way that if you have multiple periods for the same course, we only need to create one course so that you can have access to all those periods, and you just need to create one single assignment and that apply to all the period that you are teaching. So first you need to click on the course that you are teaching, and then you go to administration. Sometimes the administration button is over here. So you see that, all you have to do is just hover over it and then you will see right away. Or you click on it, it will show you. And if you want to go back over here, all you have to do is click on that little arrow and then you have it over here. So you can go to, first of all, go to user, okay? Everything is already preset for you already. Now let's create multiple sections or multiple periods for your class. So first of all, you need to create a group. A group in this case is like a period or a section. So you would create, let's call this period 1, okay? And notice how the group ID is blocked from you, so you don't have to worry about that. And put a password there. Put something that you know that you're gonna remember. So put period number 001. This is the enrollment key that you are going to give to period 1, so that all the students enrolled in your class will be enrolled in period 1, and that's pretty much it. So make sure you write down all the password, and once you're done with period 1, you can now go to create another group. You can actually edit if you want to change the password. Why is that important? Because once you give out the password, you want to change the password right away, so that way random students are not enrolled in your class, okay? Now if you have a new student adding to your class, I recommend take the Chromebook, type in the password yourself, so that way you don't have to constantly changing the password. So that's a trick for adding new students to your class. So once you're done with that, now let's create another period. Now what if you want to create another period? Of course you would go to create groups, okay? And we call this period 2, okay? And of course we can now add a password in period number 002 or whatever password that's easy for you to remember right there, okay? And then you click save. Now you have 2 periods that's involved. In that case, that's it. So you are done setting up your class, and now your student can now access your class using the enrollment key to specific period. But before we do that, sometime you need to go back here and go back to click on enrollment methods, okay? Because you need to enable the self-enrollment. Self-enrollment, that means the student enroll themselves, and you need to modify in a way that you allow group enrollment. So notice how I said use group enrollment key, but here you don't have enrollment key, so you don't put anything there. Any student can enroll in your class, so put in some random enrollment key that you don't really care about, okay? Now I put random one right there. So once you have that, from now on, all the students will enroll using the enrollment key, so it will push all the students to a specific period. And of course you can play around in terms of what you can do with inactive student, and then you're done. And that's pretty much it.